Whether you're carving through mountain roads, cruising down the highway, or just hitting the city streets, your gloves aren't just gear, they're your first line of defense. But here's the deal. Not all motorcycle gloves are created equal. Some give you insane protection, some are all about comfort, and some manage to nail both. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 motorcycle gloves every rider should know about in 2025. So before you grab your throttle again, stick around because the right pair could literally save your ride in your hands. The ILM gloves strike a perfect balance between protection and comfort. Built with goat leather and a clever perforated design, they keep airflow steady without sacrificing durability. What really stands out is the 360-degree protection system, covering knuckles, palms, fingers, and even the side of the hand. Double leather reinforcements and foam padding make these a solid choice if you're worried about road rash during a spill. On the bars, the pre-shaped design gives a natural grip, and the external stitching on fingers eliminates irritation. A versatile option, they're not just for riding, but can be used in other outdoor activities too. If you're looking for a breathable and budget-friendly option, JIA'S gloves deliver plenty of value. They use a 3D mesh construction for ventilation and keep your hands cool even on long summer rides. Protection comes from hard knuckle armor and TRP palm padding, which handle impacts well for a lightweight glove. Another rider-friendly touch is the touchscreen compatibility. You won't need to take them off every time you check your GPS. The anti-slip palm improves grip, and suede reinforcement at stress points helps them last longer. For riders chasing a mix of style, safety, and versatility, J.A.G. leather gloves shine. They're made with genuine leather, featuring carbon fiber knuckle guards, TPU finger protection, and palm sliders for maximum crash resistance. The anti-slip padding provides superb handlebar control, and the stretch panels make them surprisingly comfortable for longer rides. You also get touchscreen fingertips and breathable panels to keep sweaty hands at bay. They're double-stitched for durability and come with a stylish design that works for men and women. So the pros are premium protection, comfortable stretch panels, multi-use versatility. And the cons are leather feels a bit stiff at first but softens over time. Designed with pro riders in mind, the KEMIMOTO gloves are all about precision fit and high-end materials. At first, they may feel snug, but the leather molds perfectly to your hand after a few rides. They're crafted with Kevlar thread for durability and use a combination of soft goat leather and tougher cowhide for protection and comfort. Add in carbon fiber shells and ESA impact-absorbing padding, and you've got a glove that feels race-ready. The anti-slip palm design gives you maximum grip, even in wet conditions. INBIKE delivers a well-rounded glove that's versatile enough for daily commutes and weekend adventures. They combine leather with polyester and mesh for protection plus breathability. The knuckles are reinforced with TPR plus PVC shells, while XRD padding protects the thumbs. Riders will love the palm squeeze bean design for added grip control. They're touchscreen friendly, and details like the upgraded Velcro strap, reflective logos, and pull tabs make them practical for everyday use. It is a good mix of protection and comfort, rider-focused details, but not as rugged as full leather racing gloves, but excellent for the price.